Welcome to our second episode where we help you learn how to identify different species of snails that transmit diseases. Remember that in our last episode we told you that not all snail species transmit diseases. So how do you identify correctly the snail species that transmit bilharzia and liver fluke diseases? Snails can be very small and they look very much alike. So how can you identify the different species of snails that transmit diseases? The first thing to look at is size. Snails of our interest measure between 2 to 16 millimeters, the size of our thumb, or very small like this. Secondly, we look at the shape. We have 3 species of snails of interest. 1. Biomphalaria species. They transmit intestinal bilharzia, and these have a shell that is coiled and flat like a rope. The shell has a spire that is sunken, and the maximum size is like this. 2. We have Radix and Bulinus species. The difference between these 2 groups of snails is the position of the aperture. For the Radix species of snails, they have a wide opening that opens to the right and a very short spire. For the Bulinus species of snails, they have an aperture that opens to the left and the spire is very short or even sometimes flat. Well, we have learned about identification of different freshwater snail species that can transmit diseases. But did you know that you can use your smartphone to identify snails that can transmit diseases? Go to our last episode where we talk about phones and apps that help us to identify our snails. Or go straight to our next episode that explains how you can share your valuable data with scientists, policy actors that want to eliminate these diseases.